Hey guys, Jim here, Hometown Roofing of Texas. As you can see, we're dismantling this part of a fence, and you're probably asking yourself, why? It's a beautiful fence. Well, the other homeowner on the other side has decided to put up a fence himself, and he, through a survey, has found that my fence needs to come over. That I actually, some of his land is on my land. So we're gonna gain some footage on my land, on this land here, by swinging our fence over. And what that takes is digging up one or two of the posts, adding one or two posts, and bringing the wood that's existing on the fence now onto the other fence, and maybe adding some new posts. Come on, let's take a look. Texas, and if you want anything done with the fence, either a repair, staining, or a completely built fence, just call us, 469-583-5228. What we started to do, we dug these holes out, these two. And what we need to do is swing this fence this way. We dug these two holes out, we bought two new posts, we set them in place with a string line so they're nice and perfect, and we let them set for 2 days. Okay, and now what we're doing is we have some brackets. We took off the old posts over there, they're drying. And we're gonna bring this wood onto these posts, same exact thing, but here's the beauty. Check your lot lines, people, check your lot lines. We gain this much square feet in our yard. What a nice place to plant bougainvillea or some honeysuckle that will climb onto this fence. We'll show you more as we get along. Thank you.